Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're back for another Premier League match day vlog. Today we're facing Wolves at home. Wolves did lose to Arsenal last week in the Premier League, and we did lose to Southampton at home, which was Conte's first Premier League home loss, which did sting a little bit, especially as it was against Southampton. I'm sure Conte and the whole management team would have been fired up after that loss against Southampton, conceding 2 goals just in 2 minutes. So I'm sure something's going to change today and we're going to go and get the win. I'm really confident we really need the win. We're slipping away from that top 4 position. Wolves are literally 2 points below us. Although we do have the game in hand on them, the gaps are getting very tight, guys. So 3 points is very much needed today. Before we get into this video, guys, make sure you leave a massive like, subscribe down below, post notifications if you haven't already. Also follow my Instagram on the screen now, and let's head to the stadium, get their 3 points. Come on, you Spurs. Outside the area. Hugo Lloris could only parry it out. Another defensive error, no one was there to pick up. Wolves the time to put it away. 1-0. Plenty of time to drag us back there. Spreading the play, come on. Back post, who's there? Sonny, taking it wide. Sonny switching on his left. So man, get in front of it. Oh no. What's going on? Messing it up, giving an awful ball to Davies in the corner. Davies trying to get it out. They win the ball, whip it in. We may as well score no goal there. Scrambling off the bar, keeper couldn't do anything. Then Don goes there, spin it away. 2-0 in the side 20 minutes. Poor. Thank you, good save. Hugo collect. Sonny to box it in. Son on his own. Go on then. Kane. Half time, 2-0, guys. Shocking first half. It's almost like nothing changed since last week. Made an early substitution, changing the formation around, taking Sessegnon off, bringing Dejan, the new midfielder, on. But we haven't seen a change yet in play. Hopefully the second half we get an early goal. We need to dominate this really, but we can see Wolves sitting back and just holding this 2-0 lead now. It's going to be a very difficult one, but we're up for it. Come on, Tottenham, stay confident, let's go, come on. Kane. Go on then. Kane again. Close to kick. Up and over. Sonny! Dejan! Kane. Is it better, son? Yes. Back in. Go on then. Oh, again, come on. Bye-bye. Time, guys, 2-0. Second half performance wasn't much better than the first, to be honest. saying that though, Wolves put 11 man behind the ball. They time wasted their way throughout that whole second half. We lacked any spark of creativity or positivity today, and that fills us with no confidence at all. Going to Manchester City away next Saturday. Really, really, really poor performance, guys, and it's really worrying considering we lost to Southampton last weekend and nothing has really changed since then. Especially at this very crucial part of the season where we need to pick up every single point we can do. Very frustrating result, guys. Manchester City away next Saturday, like I said, it's going to be a very difficult one.